You said it would happen this way only, and you were right.
Exactly.
That in the end, everyone
It's gonna come.
is gonna be there.
Great.
It's gonna be amazing.
Let's get married.
क्या कहें दिल से धड़कने पागल सुन लो क्या बोले सांसों की हलचल बांसुरी होठों से जो कहे तुम लबों से बोलो ना तितलियां जो फूलों से कहे तुम नजर से बोलो ना हौले से
Just so honored and moved that we get to do this, not in like a small, quiet way. You know, everyone wanted us to do it in a small, quiet way.
बोलो ना हाँ बोलो ना
Let's just keep it quiet. You don't have to do a big show. But that's not us. We wanted to do a big show. It's like, you know, our love story.
सुन लो क्या बोले बूंदे सावन से क्या कहे आंसू भीगे काजल से
We were like at a hotel and we had a